Hey, it's Kay. And Kay.
Hi, Kay.
What are y'all doing?
Cause
it's like 6
in
in
their
the morning
right
right
mind
here.
at 6? Who's in their right mind at 6? Up at 6:20 in the morning. Oh, I will be next year. I'll be up at like 5:15 every freaking morning.
Well, apparently us, since we're up at frickin' 6 in the morning.
But yeah,
probably
that's because
like
we're crazy. That's because we're crazy. We need too much Mountain Dew.
Yes, we like ordered some, and it was like a half hour anyway. But yeah, we made like these rhyme things, and it's pretty cool. Yeah.
We made like a what? Oh yeah, rhyme things.
Yeah.
You want to hear? You want to hear mine about Katie? I bet you.
Do you want to hear mine about me?
Mine's about Katie because I admire her so much. Okay.
Mine's
ready?
shorter.
Mine, yeah, right. Mine's amazing. Okay, who wants to hear it? Anybody wants to hear it? Raise your hand if you want to hear it. I think everybody wants to hear it, don't you?
Me.
Well, numero uno, you guys don't have a choice. Okay, so anyway. Okay. Her name's Katie. She's my best friend. Listen to her. She's got the chicken. She's got 2 feet, walking down the street. When you see her, you know what's up. You look at her and you say sup. She's got style and swagger. Just chilling with me. If you want to hang out, you better pay the fee.
Word.
Corn Pops, boy.
Alright, well, want to hear mine? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Shut up.
I'll do it with her. How about that, Katie?
Alright.
You're so screwed up.
Shut up. You can do the very last line. I made it all by myself. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
My name's Katie, and I'm walking down the street looking so fine, so freaking beast. You never know when I'm coming all around, so you might be best just sticking downtown. You better, when you see me, you better be fine, because you never know when I'm going to bust around. The other day, we went to the zoo, and guess what I found in my food? I found some meat in my fries, some disgusting chicken that I despise. Yeah, me and Kay just chilling all around, just making some rhymes, just hanging out. It's 6 in the morning, we're pretty tired, but we haven't fell asleep because we are wired. Off Mountain Dew that we ordered from pizza because we just crazy and I don't know why. Yep, yeah, we so cool, yeah, we so fly. You never know when we pass by. Word. Dog.
Yo. Yo. Yeah, I said it twice. You got a problem with that? Corn Pops.
Shizza.
Corn Pops, boy.